Today we are going to study about Bloom's taxonomy. This is very important topic to us in the examination point of view. Benjamin S. Bloom published the taxonomy of educational objectives in the year 1956. The taxonomy means classification. The dictionary meaning of taxonomy is classification. So, taxonomy is classification. In his book, the Benjamin explained the educational objectives in a systematic and scientific way. So, he explained the educational objectives in a systematic and scientific way. He gave a set of 3 hierarchical models which are explained or which are classify the educational instructional objectives. What is hierarchy? Can you give some explanation about hierarchy? Hierarchy is a system or people which are arranged in a particular way or which are arranged according to their significance or importance. So, hierarchy is a system which is arranged in a systematic way or arranged in its significance or importance. In his taxonomy, Benjamin arranged the learning objectives in their importance or significance. So, it is a classification of instructional objectives or the classifications of levels of instructional objectives. It can be used by teachers or educators to classify organized learning instructional objectives. What are the learning objectives? Students, can you give some definition of learning objectives? Learning objectives are the statement that describe what a student is expected from a lesson. Learning objectives are the statement that describe what a student learns from a lesson. That is learning objectives. Where a teacher teaches something, there is always some learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to learn these instructional objectives. For example, a teacher is going to teach a topic layers of earth in her classroom. After completing the topic, the students will be able to attain the ability to define the layers of earth, or the students will be able to distinguish the layers of earth, or students will be able to give some definitions of layers of earth, etc. So, no teaching is done without instructional objectives or learning objectives. There is always some objectives behind each and every lesson. These are known as instructional objectives or learning objectives. Actually, Benjamin classified learning objectives into 3 set of hierarchical models or 3 domains. They are cognitive domain, affective domain, psychomotor domain. First one is cognitive domain, second one is affective domain, and third one is psychomotor domain. Then we are trying to understand more about cognitive domain. Cognitive domain is closely related to brain and brain activities. So, what are the brain activities? The activities such as reasoning, logic, problem solving, thinking, etc. are known as brain activities. The activities such as reasoning, logic, problem solving, thinking, etc. are known as brain activities. These activities are directly related to brain. So, this is cognitive domain. So, cognitive domain is directly related to brain and brain activities. Let us conclude today's session. I hope you understand well. Thank you.